So I was just going outside to go into the garage suite and do a little organizing. And then look what I found. Look what I found. He's just out here. He's just out here waiting for me. What do you want? I think he wants this. Okay, let me give you some oats. Come here, little guy. I feel like I already fed you today. Do your friends want any? What about your friends? Oh, you're so cute. You're gonna get fat. You're gonna get so fat. Okay, let me pet your ears. I named him Oatmeal. Look at this. Look at this.